Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 45 of sales training program. Apple was concentrating on high quality, high end customers, while Microsoft started concentrating on high volume, low end customers. Once Apple was selling more than Microsoft, but due to the better strategy of Microsoft were able to take over Apple in a very short period of 3 to 4 years of time. Ignorance is an issue. In some cases, your major competitor is not another company, it is your own ignorance. It is the ignorance. Customers simply do not know your product is available. It may be new, it may not be well known, it may not be well advertised. Sometimes the greatest obstacle you have to overcome is unawareness of what your product can do for a customer. Position strategically. In strategic selling, you are always competing against someone. Whatever you are selling, there is an alternative available in your market. What you have to find out is what your prospective customers are considering and then position yourself in such a way that your customers conclude that your offering is superior to anything else available. Selling is like a war. Selling in some respect is similar to warfare. Decisions in warfare are always made in consideration of what the enemy is doing or likely to do. Many of our most crucial decisions in selling will be determined by what your competitors are doing or what they are likely to do. Have an edge. This is your area of differentiation that we discussed earlier. In what way do you have an advantage over your competitors? How and why are you superior? As Jack Welch of General Electric once said, if you don't have a competitive advantage, don't compete. This is the end of part 45 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. You can contact me using the telephone numbers available on the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that we can view more videos of this nature. Thank you and good day to you.